Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50.
You got two different methods to run and steal an Android phone. First method is using the tool through terminal. Through terminal, type cd SARA, hit enter, then type python sora.py, hit enter. Then the tool will run successfully and will offering you three different options. The first option, build a Trojan ransomware, but you must use it with Metasploit to inject that in the infected system, and then build Looker ransomware or build a screen ransomware. In my case, I will use to build a screen ransomware, so I will choose the option number 3. I will set the name and the head and the description and then the correct key that will unlock the phone infected from the application. I will choose a selection number 1, which is yes, I wanted to upload, and then I will go to the directory to find the infected application. Always you're gonna find it in your local storage. Click on the name of the tool, SARA, then you will find an infected APK file ready to install and inject in a victim device. Take it copy or do like me. I'm gonna hold it from the virtual machine to the emulator, and it's gonna hold the infected application and inject it in the victim device. It's uploading now, and the installation of the application will start automatically directly when the victim takes the application from you. Now the application, it won't open anything until you unlock the device. You must type the correct key, and even if you tried many times, you must type the correct key, and the correct key is 1234. And then click on unlock devices. The other method that I'm gonna share with you, it will be in the next shoot. The other method is the interface, and the interface is easier than working on terminal. Some people prefer working on interface on a web application. I'm gonna select build a screen locker. I'm gonna use the same concept, and here is the different type of selections. You can keep everything as default, or you can just type anything you want. Everything will be in default, but I will change the password as before. After typing unlock bypass phrase, scroll down and click on the Screen Locker APK to create an infected application. Now let's go back to the directory in the local storage to see the result, if it changed or not. And if you took a closer look with me, you're gonna find it replaced the infected application with another one. If you wanted to access to the web interface, just through terminal, you're gonna go to the directory, which is cd SARA, then hit enter, then type bash start underscore web.sh, then hit enter, which is will create an interface on your local host, which is http localhost 5000, and it will lead you to the interface directory.